Congress, our premise was there's a global economic crisis. That's why we came up with the theme perspectives. Ano sa tingin mo? It challenges everybody to look at things in a multi-dimensional way and find creative solutions. We still believe the theme is very appropriate, even after you refer to a political crisis as well as, I think, more than that, an environmental crisis. And so it challenges us again. Now it's not just about the economy. I think it's about something that affects the whole world, which is really the environment. So.
A decision like that was a very, very important decision for the committee. To be honest, I did not get involved, but was informed about it after. I do know, however, that they did struggle for a long time with the decision. The city of Baguio has just been incredible in terms of all the help that they had extended to the group. This was a very difficult decision for everyone, but at the same time, everyone is also very grateful for the work that has taken place in Subic. It was an unfortunate event, and one that they decided would be best. And I think the mayor at the end understood that it had to be done, and it's nice to see that all the mayors will be here together for this event.
Us to really put on hopefully another good show. This is the third time that we will be hosting the Congress, and the entire community looks forward to the events for the next 4 days. So again, on behalf of my colleagues, our chairman Fitz Alonga, I'd like to welcome all our guests and our good friends from the airport to Big Day.
As well as rethink where the revenue we are going to gain from the Arab Awards tickets. We've decided that 100% of that will go to the Red Cross Baguio chapter for the recovery of dengue. Okay.